Yep. Oh, that's so good. Okay. Oh my gosh, wait, that's so good. 1, 2, 3. Nice. And then cover portrait. Oh, low end. Hi everyone, Rosina's here. And then today we are shooting spring style.
Spring style.
Yeah, and then see the dress.
Yes, I'm very excited.
Yeah, stay tuned. Bye. Oh, the dress. Oh, that's so cool. Yep. Oh yeah, slightly turn into and then look at this side. Video. 1, 2, 3, go. Nice, couple posts right there. Yep, love it. Oh yeah, turning around 360. Yep. Oh yeah, that's so good. I'm gonna swim in half body.
Okay. Standing.
Yep.
Sinking in.
Oh yeah, now the sunlight is back. Let me adjust the light. 1, 2, 3, go. Nice, 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 nice. Photo like that. Half body photo. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Couple more. Yep. Love that. Looking at it. Oh yeah, and then zooming in half body. Closer. Oh, that's so good. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Yep. The hair is good. Three, go. Nice, yep. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's so good. One more, half body. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Nice, yep. Turn in. Oh yeah, and then, yeah, slightly sideways. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Oh, yep. One, 2, 3, yep. Was 1, 2, 3. Love it. Wow, that's so good. Yep. Freestyle. Yeah, some flowy. Nice. Oh. Oh, they are the tour. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Love that.
Flower
Oh yeah. Nice. Oh yeah. Looking at the flower. Yep, that's good. And then slightly toward that side. Yep. Oh, sorry. Maybe like this toward the flower side. Yeah. Yeah. So the side profile, and then you can Yep. Love that side profile, and then couple freestyle right there. Oh, that's so cool. Wait. 1, 2, 3, and then couple look at the camera. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, couple freestyle right there. Hold on, let me do a high angle. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh yeah.
Very nice.
Ooh. 2, 3, go. Nice. And the high angle. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah. Oh, photo like that. Looking toward the flower side. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Yep. Couple freestyle. Nice. Oh yeah. Half body. 1, 2, 3. Love that. And then tilt out, and then sunlight. Yep. Lower angle. Yep. Oh wait, that pose is so good. Side profile. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's good. Yep. Sudden look. Wait, sudden look video. 1, 2, 3, go. Yep. Nice. Okay, cool. One, 2, 3. Nice. Yep. Yep. Sideways. Yep. Walking. Oh yeah. Half body. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the framing is so good. Yep. Half body. Full body one more time. Oh, wait. Oh, that's good. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Looking sideways. Oh my gosh. Wait, that's so good. 1, 2, 3. Full body first. 1, 2, 3. Yep. One more looking up to the building. Yep. Oh, yeah. Yep, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, couple freestyle right there. Yep, walking, yep. Nice, yep, couple freestyle right there. One, two, three, go. Nice. Yep. Couple more freestyle posts, yep. Oh yeah, that pose photo behind. One here. Maybe you stand on that side and I shoot this side. Yeah, kind of like a couple freestyle, yeah. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, that's so good. 1, 2, 3. Full body, full body. Half body. Oh, that's so good. Wait, let me show you.
Oh, that's really cool. The yellow looks
yeah,
good.
the yellow, black.
Black and yellow.
Plus.
I love it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Video, yep, couple posts right here. Yep, and then turning back. Oh, that's good. Yep, that pose, photo. 1, 2, 3. Yep, that's good. Nice, yep. Couple stare. Oh, that, yep, chin down stare. Hold up. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's good. Yep. And then let's step back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's there. Portrait. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. That's good. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Yep. Business style. Okay. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. Oh yeah. Certainly looking out. One more. Yep. 2, 3. Love it. 1, 2, 3. Hold up, let me do a video here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Nice, couple freestyle right there. Oh yeah, that's there. Photo, that's there one more time. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Love it. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Oh, slightly smooth at top. Oh no, yep. See a couple portrait style. Let me do a couple portrait style. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, panning video. Yep. Freestyle. And couple portrait pose. Yep, like there. Hold up, that last pose, couple more photo like that. Oh, yep. Sudden stare. Nice, and then couple portrait. Oh, low angle. Let me try a couple low angle. Nice. And then try a different hand.